Last video we saw fourth sum. Now we are going to see fifth sum. What is the question they given? Represent the following set in set builder form. So represent the following set in a set builder form. You know very well this is a rule method, right? Rule method or rule form. B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one-day internationals. So the given, this is descriptive form, right? This is describing words. The set is described by words. So now we are going to convert this one in what? Set builder form. Okay. Now what is the name of the set here? B. Okay. Open the curly bracket. X. What is the rule? Such that X, okay, is all cricket player. That's it. You just copy fully from here itself. Okay, X such that X is all cricket players in India who score double centuries in one-day internationals. Okay, close the flower bracket. So that's all. Here we will use only X such that X is, that's it. Remaining in question itself they given, you just copy from question itself, right? What is the next subdivision they given? So C equal to, open the curly bracket, they given 1 by 2, comma 2 by 3, comma 3 by 4, going on, right? Close the bracket. Now solution. So here it is in the method roasted form. Now we are going to convert roasted form into set builder form. Yes. So listen here, C is equal to, Y we will take here, okay, Y we can take, Y such that Y is equal to, what condition here we will apply? N. N means we can put 1. It's a natural number. See here, in numerator you just see all are natural numbers. So natural number means we can put small n, because afterwards we will write that condition, small n belongs to natural number. Small n belongs to natural number னு அப்புறமா நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம். இங்கே மேலே நியூமரேட்டரில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே வந்து 1 2 3 4ன்னு நேச்சுரல் நம்பர்ஸ் தான் இருக்குது. அதனால நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். என்னன்னு எடுத்துட்டு டிவைடட் பை, இங்கே பாருங்கள், இங்கே 1 போட்டிங்கன்னா 1 + 1, அப்போ n + 1 தானே கீழே வருது. இங்கே பாருங்கள், இப்போ இங்கே 2 போட்டிங்கன்னா 2 + 1, அப்போ n + 1. இங்கே 3 போட்டிங்கன்னா 3 + 1, அப்போ n + 1. ஸோ ஹியர் n + 1, n by n + 1. So where n belongs to natural number, close the flower bracket or curly bracket. So Y such that Y is equal to n by n + 1. It's a n's belongs to capital N. N belongs to capital N. It's clear for you? So இப்போ இந்த n ன்னு இருக்க இடத்துல 1 போட்டிங்கன்னா 1 by 1 + 1 2 ஆயிடும். இப்போ 2 போட்டிங்கன்னா 2 by 2 + 1 3 ஆயிடும். 2 by 3 வந்துடும். 3 போட்டிங்கன்னா 3 by 3 + 1 3 by 4 வந்துடும். அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம போட்டுட்டே போகலாம். ஸோ இதுக்கு நம்ம கண்டிஷன் இந்த மாதிரி தான் எழுத முடியும். திஸ் இஸ் செட் பில்டர் ஃபார்ம் மெத்தட். ஓகே, கிளியர்? Third one, D is equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. The set of all Tamil months in a year. So solution, what is the name of the set? D equal to, open the curly bracket, X such that X is the Tamil month, is the Tamil months in a year. Okay, clear? X such that X is the Tamil month in a year. And next one, fourth one, E. What they given? The set of odd whole numbers less than 9. Okay, this is descriptive form. They described in words. They described in words, right? So now write solution here. What is the name of the set here? E is equal to, open the curly bracket, x such that, because this is set builder, we should use here rule method, right? So x such that x is, so write the question fully, old, odd, x such that x is odd, whole numbers, x is less than, because x is a odd whole number, right? It's less than, x less than what? 9. Close the curly bracket. Okay, so first one you should write x such that x is all, question you just copy and close the curly bracket. Second one you know very well, n by n plus 1 we found. So what is n? It belongs to natural number. If you are putting instead of n 1 2 3, you'll get this answer. Okay, check it. This one, third one, the set of all Tamil months in a year. X such that x is the Tamil months in a year. This is a set builder form. So only we should put x such that x. That rule only we should add it here. And next one, the set of odd whole number less than 9. So here also I included here rule. X such that x is odd whole number, x less than 9. That is the condition they given. Okay, we completed 5th sum. Next video we will see 6th sum. Thank you children.